Hey guys, this is John with Walkthrough Code. So in the last video we talked about ng-repeat and ng-click and how useful those can be. In this video we'll go ahead and talk about filters, and we're going to talk about two types of filters. One of them is we're going to filter by name, and the other one we're going to, or rather filter by value. The other one we're going to do is we're going to create a custom filter. What I did is I went in here and I changed these from plural to singular. So we're going to change those back from singular to plural using our own custom filter. But first, let's show how you can filter by value. So we're going to start by creating a p tag and search by value, and then we'll put an input, and then wait, we want to leave that, and then we'll get rid of these. And we're going to say ng model equals VM, right? Because we need to tie it into the controller. Dot search. Search. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we will tell this ng repeat to only show if the value in here is contained in this currently listed fruit. So to do this, we're going to say pipe. So pipe denotes a filter. So filter, and then we're going to filter it for vm.search. So it's going to filter based on what's contained in this vm.search. So let's save this and try this here. So now we have our search by value. If we say A, so everything has an A, P, so only apple and grape have an AP, and if we put another P, so now apple's the only one with APP. So this lets us search by value, which is super useful. But what if we want a custom filter? So what we can do for that is let's create a filter that will take apple, orange, and grape, and then make them all plural. So let's do app.filter, make plural, and then we'll have a callback function. And the way that a filter works is it returns a function because it needs to iterate on every single one. So we're going to say return function, and it takes the input, which is each item that's being iterated over. And then what we'll do is we will return, we won't change any, or we won't filter for anything. What we'll say is return input plus string s. So now that's going to make all of these, it's going to make them all plural. So to implement that, what we do is we say fruit, and then the pipe for a filter, and then we'll put make plural. And then if we go down here, we see now they're all plural. So a review of what happened. So we had our fruit, apple, orange, and grape. We had our filter, like plural, that iterates over all of the each thing and says input, and then concatenates s onto each one of them through this ng repeat. And we can still search through them by doing that. So that's the end of the video. We will in the next video we'll talk about making HTTP calls. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Totally like and subscribe to us if you want to see more videos. Other than that, if you want to get a hold of me on social media, the easiest way is through Twitter, which is my handle is JohnA2. Other than that, thanks so much. See you in the next video.